What's up, guys? It's Marco Z33 again. I know it's been a while, I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm gonna explain why right now. Actually, pretty much I haven't, well, with summer and all that, and like just being lazy and work. I did have summer school, I did do that, since summer is over now. School started again for the fall. But I'm chewing gum, sorry, the mic's picking it up. But I haven't uploaded anything because I really haven't had anything to upload about. And the car hasn't really changed much at all. Just from like little things, like I tinted the windows, that's it. But nothing too serious to have to upload about. You can see it's really dirty right now. You might be able to see that. But other than that, it's pretty much it. Honestly, I haven't done nothing much to it, so that's why I haven't really been uploading. But as you can see from the title now, we are going to be doing quite a bit actually, and a little bit more in the future because I already got things planned in a way. So I'm going to show you the stuff I have right here, and I'm going to show you how to install it, or the best of my ability. That being said, hopefully everything can go smoothly on top of that. So this is everything I got right here next to me. Of course, new exhaust. I got the Agency Power single exit. This video is going to be short. I'm just going to keep it install only. I'm not going to really talk about why I got this. I'll make that another video. Once I like break it in and feel it for myself and get my thoughts on it. I got top speed Y pipe, and this comes with the Agency. This is the crush pipe. Just quick clarification. If you do decide to buy this, or I guess any single exit maybe, you won't need a Y pipe if you have your OEM Y pipe. In my case, I don't have my OEM Y pipe because I do have a current exhaust system on here, which is a Specty tuning exhaust. So I got rid of my OEM Y pipe. So that's why I had to buy a separate one. Usually you just buy this and that, or this and it comes with that, and you just use your stock Y pipe. But for my case, I had to buy another one, so that's why I have that. So I'm gonna jack the car up and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back. We're back. Car's in the air. Jack points. These are my jack points if you want to check them out. I lifted it with the jack from, I guess, the cross member, right in front of the cross member. Little piece right there. Right there. Yeah, put it in the center. And I put my jacks right here on opposite sides. So basically, this is what's gonna happen right here. If you do have your OEM already, you probably don't have to even mess with this side right here. This is my current Y pipe for this exhaust system, so I want to remove that. But if you have OEM, you probably don't even have to mess with any of this. You could probably start by jacking it up from the back and working back there, because that's just for the Agency Power. That's, if you just buy the Agency Power by itself, you probably just have to work back there if you have the OEM. But otherwise, if you have a new Y pipe, you're gonna have to take this one off. So I'm gonna work right here, install everything I need to do here, take this off first, put my new one, and then I'm gonna drop it and then start working in the back, because I don't think I'm able to reach everything from here. So yeah, that's my plan of attack. So I'm gonna do that right now. Control, man. Whoa, that's scary. Alright, let's go. This. Okay, so I just removed Y pipe to cat bolts on each side. So then the next thing is to do is hit it over there in the middle somewhere, and then I'm gonna slide it out to the left. It should fall right off. So let's try that. Way bigger bolt. I need a bigger bolt. 17, 18, or 19. One of those. Get them all right here. Let's try 18. I think it's 18. So I can get you guys over here. Sorry about that. I'm getting these bolts right under here. I can't see them that well, but yeah, it's right here. Sorry, I don't have a flip LCD, so I can't see what I'm recording, but yeah, it's right here. And put this right here. Hopefully you guys can see something. Can't really tell, because like I said before, I don't have a flip LCD. Hope you guys can see something. Hope so. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna cut and I'll be back because I don't want this battery to die. My hands are absolutely filthy right now, but as you can see, white pipe is gone. Here's the empty pipes. White pipe over there on the floor. Took it out from here. Sorry, the camera's probably not angled correctly, but there's where I took it out of, right under the fucking drive shaft. And that's the next part to get off. And we're about to install the new white pipe right now. So, be right back. Okay, everybody, white pipe is officially installed. It was kind of a pain in the ass because of the gaskets, but nonetheless, it's in there. You can see it. Remember, if you have OEM, we don't have to deal with this. You literally start right there where the white pipe ends. So that's where the next two pieces are going to be going. So let's get that done. Okay, so I got the car open there from the rear. We're removing a few things. As you can see, those bolts right there. This thing would focus. But yeah, those bolts right there. Hangers probably going to be the worst things, or the most annoying. Damn it, I'm sorry for the focus, guys. There we go, hold on. There you go. It was on manual, but yeah, those bolts. And I think that should fall right off once we remove those. And that's pretty much it. And just these hangers might be a pain. That's about it. Everything else should be, another hanger over here. Everything else should be good. So yeah, we take those off and we put the new exhaust in. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. I'm just trying to be quick because this battery's about to die, and I kind of want to give you an exhaust clip. So I'm gonna do that. Sorry for all the cuts. This next pipe going on, I already removed everything in here. This is like the mid pipe type thing. This little thing right here for the old one. Some WD-40. Those hangers are a bitch. And here are the, I guess, a baffled exit exhausts. Two of them, separate one again. Hangers were a bitch. Alright, so that's where we're at. We're about to set this next mid pipe in. I'm sure this goes to agency power, and this goes. No, sorry. This. Wait. This goes. Wait, let me figure this out actually. I think I might be right. Yeah, this goes to agency power. No, I'm not. I mean, this. Give me 1 second to connect all this. Okay, I think this goes to agency power, and that goes to white pipe. I'm gonna test it. I think that's right though. Be back. Probably might be a little ass, but fuck it. Alright guys, just installed the last piece of it right here. Just if you do plan on getting this exhaust and do plan on installing it, just be careful with this because you will scratch it just like I did. It kind of fucked it up, but oh well. This is the crush pipe right here. I was wrong earlier. The crush part goes over there to clear that little under tray part of your car. For mine, kind of seems to touch a little bit, but it might be different for yours. But other than that, hangers over here, crush pipe on that side. Sorry, I did mess up on that part. So yeah, and then this part goes into the agency power itself. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up here, and then I'll give you guys a little clip of how it sounds, and that'll be the end of the video. Okay. Alright guys, it is installed. I'm gonna get my buddy Jerry to hold it for me while I turn the car on. Go hold this. You want to be low? Doesn't matter. As long as you get that. This will be a cold start. loose, but we'll see. Tighten everything pretty good. Let it warm up, and then I'll give it a few revs right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give it a few revs right now. Hold this shit. There's like a little, I think the metal might be rubbing a little bit because it sounds like zzz. I don't know if you hear that, like zzz. I think it might be the crush part rubbing with like a little piece of the car. So if you guys get that, maybe just put something in between there, like some heat wrap or some shit like that. But yeah, nonetheless, that's the exhaust. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or need help installing this exhaust, just let me know. Feel free to ask. Peace.